Solving this equation, we're going to need to use our distributive property first. And remember that we're going to be multiplying a negative 5 times w and a negative 5 times 2. And then on the right side, we're going to be multiplying positive 2 times w and negative 1. So going ahead and using that distributive property, I end up getting 4 minus 5w, and then negative 5 times a positive 2 gives me negative 10, equals 2w, and then 2 times negative 1 gives me a negative 2, minus 7w, minus 4. Now before I decide to move anything from one side to the other, I want to go ahead and combine like terms. So on the left side, I have like terms with 4 and negative 10. So combining those two together, I end up with negative 5w, and then 4 minus 10 is minus 6. On the right side, I'm going to combine my w's again. And I have 2, and I'm subtracting 7w, so that gives me a negative 5w. And then I have a negative 2 and a negative 4, which gives me minus 6. The next step is to get my w's together on one side of the equation. And to do that, I'm going to add 5w to both sides. On the left, my 5w's cancel out, and I'm left over with negative 6. On the right, my 5w's cancel out again, and I'm also left with negative 6. Now this is different than an inconsistent equation because negative 6 is equal to negative 6. So this is a true statement. And since it's a true statement, that means that no matter what I put in for w, I'm still going to get a true statement when I'm all done. So the answer, or the solution to this particular problem is w can be any real number. Or sometimes you write w is a real number, and that symbol right there means all real numbers.